Hello YouTube, we just assembled this blue ANPABO dump truck. My helper Anthony is here. We have another box. I assume this is the yellow one. So let's check this out. It's the same model. So the assemble process is gonna be very similar. Or I mean, should be the same. And hopefully it's going to be the yellow one. If not, we will assemble anyway. Because we love assembling this cars every weekend. Do you like assembling these cars, Anthony?
Let's open up.
Let's do it.
Let's open it.
Anthony, look at that! It's a yellow one!
Yes!
Oh God, this yellow looks even better. Well, I love the blue one, but look at this. This is a really nice yellow color. ANPABO dump truck.
What is it?
Oh, this is so nice. We will put this together right now. All right, my helper has the key on his hand. We have all the parts laid on the ground right here. I can't tell how much I love this color. It's a beautiful truck. The parts here, 2 motors, steering wheel, side mirrors. Those black parts goes in the front. Looks really amazing. 2 doors, 4 wheels, seats. That's the charger, right, Anthony? Remote control. Look the size of this battery, 24 volts. I really like this controller right here as well. Says right there, 24 volts. This is the antenna right here. Pedal, on and off through the key. This is lights on and off. High speed, low speed, backwards, neutral, forward. There's gonna be a steering wheel here with horn and music. And this is where you operate the bucket. It's gonna be assembled right here in the back. So let's get to this. Let's assemble this really cool dump truck right now. First step, flip it over. Take these 2 screws from right here. One here, one right there. Once you remove this screw, you're gonna rotate this and add to this screw right here. So this is gonna rotate. This is 4 screws that you need to do right here in the bottom. Make sure you have this right here in this. If it's off like this, it's not gonna work. It needs to be like that, right? So make sure this is right there before you screw this piece in place right here. And this is it for the front. In the rear, there is no big secret. You have this long bar that's hold it with tape right here. So just take this bar from here, undo this screw here, take this bar all the way out, and then it's gonna go here through this hole, or actually through this hole right here, as well as the motor goes here. So we're gonna walk with this through this once we get there. Let's get the front done first. To assemble the wheels, just make sure that this part which has the clips stays facing out. And then the other one, which is a little bit more round, is gonna face in. I like to see big size bearings right here, 1 and 2 in all of the wheels. So this is really high quality. To assemble this, just put your first a washer here. Then you do the wheels. Put another washer. And then it comes with the nut. Tie this using the provided key. Do the same to the other. Tie it really well, like that. Do the same for the other side. Right here in this area in the back, we will start doing this right now. You have the 2 motors, left and right. So put left rear axle position. So the way this works is gonna connect this wire first, and then it's gonna go all the way down there inside, like that. The motor goes right there. Once the motor is right there, this long bar goes through this hole all the way down there. Put the other motor, put the wheels, and lock in place. Even though they say left and right, I liked what they done here. Matching colors, white and blue. So this is almost dump proof. Don't get this wrong. Blue goes with blue, white with white. There you go. Really hard to mess this up. All wheels in place. We will connect this connector right here and then start doing this area here with the steering wheel, the bucket, and then put the bucket on top, the seats. Everything going well, not a lot of parts left. Since I already connected and turned the key on, this arrow needs to point forward. When you press, if I put this here, see this is lifting up. If I go forward, it retracts. This is it. Assembly going well. No secrets on the steering wheel, just make this connection here. Put these wires all the way down. Once you do that, put this in place. And then there is a screw that goes all the way through this hole, and locked in place. This is the one with this little nut right here. Let's do this now. I had the wrong one. This is the correct one. Just threads in the beginning. This other one is gonna be used elsewhere. There is two. Let's do these small pieces right here. Remember, big mirror goes up, small one goes down. It just clips in place like that. Doing with one hand is always tough, but you get the idea. Just press in place. This is gonna be fixed right there. Do the same thing for the other side. And in the front, you have these 3 holes right here. Press this in place. Again, with one hand, it's always harder, but you got the idea. Press in place, it clicks in place. This one goes right here. Now I have 1, 2 mounted brackets. The other mirror goes right here. Press this in place as well. It's gonna be great. Looks really nice. Also, what you need to do after you install the wheels, just click this covers in place. Like that. It clicks in place. Very, very easy. Just align the clicks and done. Not lots of parts left. Do these ones now. Align this. Just with one hand I'm doing this now. So quick. No secret with the doors. Just put like that. And then you can lock this in here. And right here it goes a bracket. I already put the other one right there. This is the bracket. You see that those are not symmetrical parts. So just get the one that has a little ball this side. This goes right here, like that. And then 2 screws here. Do the same for the other side. This is gonna lock these doors in place, just like that. Looking good. Doing the seats now, it's really easy. Just make sure you don't get these wraps, loose like that. There is a bracket right here that connects right here. So what you need to do here, just go in an angle like that, and then lift it up, and it's going to connect. See, now it's locked. You need to do, pull this strap, so it's right here. Do the same for both sides, and make sure it's locked. Once it's locked in place, 2 screws, one here and one right there, and then seat is in place. We are getting pretty close to the end. Let's do this bucket now. 2 parts that goes right here, just like that. You need to put the screws from above, not from the below. Undo these 4 screws here and do this metal bracket that goes right here. 2 of these plastic parts goes right here, like that, and like that. And then this piece, let's come all the way this way now. This really cool part goes right here. I think it looks better when it's pointing forwards, and that's how it's intended to, because there is a dent right there, and you see the part, there is a dent right there. So yes, they want this to be face forward, looking forward, just like that. ANPABO, really cool design. Love the grills. This car is, hey, who doesn't love this? Look at that. Once you have these clips in place, screw from the bottom, do 2 screws right here from the inside of the bucket. Now get all of the bucket, bring it over here, flip this up, 3 screws goes here, 3 here, and 4 in each of these movable legs here. You need to put the bucket on top, and then make sure you can align this to the hole. Just more or less like so. Once you do that, you can do the 4 screws above, 3 there, 3 and 4.